How to delete all mails at once. Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I will guide you on how to delete all mails at once on your Gmail. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Gmail application, and then as you can see, I have received many mails in my inbox. So what you're gonna do is simply tap on edit. Once you have done it, you can see the option select all. Tap on it, and at the downside on the bottom right corner you can see delete option. Tap on it and confirm it. Doing so will successfully help you delete all your mails at once on your Gmail. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.